material processed by the Lajtos TDS medical waste sterilizer suitable to be collected in communal waste bins. The equipment is environmental friendly. Its hazardous materials emissions are considerably lower than those of comparable waste incinerators. The Lajtos TDS MWS contains the necessary safety equipment to eliminate all danger of contamination and is designed for low operating cost. Waste collected in airtight seal foil boxes is placed in the reactor. Reactor door is then hermetically sealed and the waste material is powdered by a grinder, then sterilized using a steam-based process. Sterilized waste is cooled and dumped into a container placed under the reactor. Take a look at the sterilizing cycle. On completion of the previous cycle, the reactor is hermetically sealed. The operator initiates the process with the start button, then walks up on the elevated footwalk. Using the elevator, the operator lifts waste over the reactor, opens the reactor door and dumps the waste in. Then he starts the automatic sterilizing process. The reactor is hermetically sealed and grinding begins. Feeding of the grinder is facilitated by a motorized mixer arm to provide continuous inflow of waste and adequate grinding. After the grinding, steaming begins using 160 Celsius degrees steam provided by a steam generator. Waste is heated up to at least 138 Celsius degrees. The sterilizing process is monitored by a computer-based controller to ensure that the appropriate sterilization number is reached. Measured data is evaluated and recorded in the registered diary. The process is automatic and fully computerized. Status of the process is monitored by the operator on a computer screen. The sterilized waste is cooled by sprinkling cold water on it. Cooling water is collected in a separate tank. Moisture content is decreased by vacuum pumping. The cycle takes about 55 minutes. During that time, the operator loads the elevator and can organize waste containers. After the pressure equalized, the end of the sterilizing cycle is indicated. Then he opens the trapdoor with a push button and the sterilized waste falls into the container. The operator closes the container and pushes it aside. After this, the reactor is hermetically sealed and returns to the starting position of cycle. With this economical, environmental friendly technology, up to 850 metric tons of waste can be sterilized annually and the low operating expenses guarantee the profit.